Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Yeedi S20 Infinity dock maintenance. If you're interested in the S20 or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first on the dock, let's just start at the very top. We have our clean and dirty water tanks that are removable. Every once in a while for the clean water tank, you will want to rinse this out. That'll be it for the clean water tank. And then for the dirty water tank, after every clean, ideally you want to rinse this out to prevent any odor buildup. You could add mouthwash in there to help with that a little bit. If you want to spray like a cleaner that has some bleach, you could grab a dental tablet or half of a dental tablet to put in there to keep that water fresh if you don't want to empty it after every use. But you want to keep up on maintaining that dirty water tank because if you've smelled the smell, you know. With the clean and dirty water tanks removed, not much to do in here. Just keep an eye on that hole in the bottom side. Right there where my fingertip is, that's going to be a little drain plug to make sure if you have any drips in here that it's going to be able to go through the station. We have our water inlets and outlets right here. Just make sure those are free from any clogs or obstructions. Looking at the center of the station, this is where all the magic happens. So we can pop this open to reveal our removable bagless dustbin. Look at this thing. This is pretty impressive. We have a dustbin full indicator right there. We have a little one-click release to empty the dustbin. Inside, we have filters and lots of stuff that we can go over that are removable and easy to clean and maintain. We have a lock and unlock indicator there. So let's go ahead, let's twist this to the unlock position. The cover comes right off, revealing a filter with some foam. So keep an eye on that. Then inside right here, we can remove this. There's one little spot here that we can gently use to pull it out. Then you can kind of grab it from both sides. But that's how you're going to put it back in there on that little lip. But take a look here. We have everything simple, straightforward. If you want to grab some compressed air to clean this, if you want to use some water to rinse this out, just give it plenty of time to dry. That'll just twist right back on. Very cool. And then again, this will just pop right back in. So gently line it up. Should only fit one way in there. Grab your filter. And then we have our lid, and that'll go again with the lock and the unlock there. So grab that line and then just twist. And now it's locked back in, and then it can go right back in the station. With the dustbin removed, in here is your debris channel, so you can feel around if there's any obstructions. You can clean that. And then moving further down below, charging contacts, here is our debris channel again, so you can reach in there for any sort of clogs. And then we have a removable tray that is very easy to wash and rinse out if any larger debris settles in here. Not much to do besides that tray. They make it super easy. And then if you notice any sort of debris in here, you could just wipe that down. This is also removable, it just snaps right off. So we can do that. And you can rinse that out too. So we got large water tanks, bagless self-empty saving you money, and then a removable tray, very easy to clean and maintain this system.